Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Dr. Sanjay Shukla, Principal of Jagran Public School, Kannauj, emphasizing leadership, noted that a principal must remain calm, diplomatic, and treat teachers like family while guiding students with care. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Sir had to say.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today we have with us a very special guest. He is Dr. Sanjay Shukla, Principal, Jagran Public School, Kannauj. So, welcome to the summit, sir. How's your experience being here?
It's wonderful. Number of things we are apprised of. I have met personally with my old friends, which I have not been with them for so many years, around 15 years after. I met them in this gathering. So it's very nice for me.
Thank you so much, sir, for being present here and enlightening the occasion. So, first of all, I would like to ask you that at your school, what kind of innovative teaching methodologies are you using or promoting to, improve student engagement and understanding?
Like we are in the age of changes. So since COVID has come, lot of changes we have done in our school.
Right.
Like online teaching. So everybody knows WhatsApp groups have been created. In school, we are changing. Earlier we had EduCom. Now we have AI generated board. So teaching is always on top gear. Management supports us very well, and teachers training also we do occasionally. Even personal training as principal I have to do for number of teachers, because we are running a school from pre-primary to 12th class. So children are the age group of 3.5 years to almost 18 years. So there is a variety of mind. So to deal with them and to deal with their parents, we have to be ready for everything. So we have done a lot to our school.
Absolutely. As you said that, we are living in a time of changing scenarios. So in this kind of situation, how do you think, what is your approach to fostering leadership and life skills among students while they are doing good at academics, but, these skills are also important.
Yeah.
So how do you think these can be inculcated, along with the curriculum?
Like for my personal character, if you talk about leadership, leader has to be quite calm and diplomatic,
Right.
because he has to lead the team.
Yeah.
So there are many events where the principal should not lose his temper
Right.
with parents as well as with teachers and students. So as leadership, I take them as my family. Teachers fraternity is my family member, but students have to be taken care of. I categorize them as badmash or batmeej.
Yeah.
Badmash child to can stay in my school, but batmeej will not be tolerated, because moral values are also part of education system.
जी बिल्कुल और आज हमने एक बुक भी लॉन्च करी है दैट संस्कार इफेक्ट तो
Unfortunately, I could not get, but I will receive it.
absolutely sir I'll make sure you have it so absolutely संस्कार बहुत जरूरी है thank you so much sir for being here and just telling us all about the great work you have been doing. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 721707010 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.